All right, we got another one for you today, and it is very good. Welcome to the channel, Cooking with Gadgets. On this channel, guys, we show you exactly how gadgets can help better your life in the kitchen. So welcome to the channel, Cooking with Gadgets in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how this wood pellet grill, guys, this thing is awesome. It have Bluetooth built in there. I mean, a pellet grill, you already know it's going to keep its own temp, but how this thing make a fantastic smoke hound. Let's go ahead and get into the kitchen, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how this grill works, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you my final opinions.
This is the hog leg or the ham. So I made a brines. It's soaked for 48 hours. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put our binder on there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and season it and put it on the grill. We trimmed the fat. We made some cracklings out of it. And I'll put a link to that video in the description. So we got our binder, jalapeno mustard, then we'll come with this Tony, butter, and jalapeno injection. And then I'm gonna make a brown sugar glaze with some special seasoning. Alright, so I went ahead and I put the rub on there. Now, my rub is composed of this brisket magic, some of this brown sugar, bourbon, grill mates, and of course, some dark brown sugar, pure cane. And what you want to do, you want to mix all parts evenly. So, if you put a teaspoon of this, you want to put a teaspoon of that. You hear my pup in the background. She know I'm cooking. Go ahead and set our temperature to 225, and we're gonna smoke it for about 8 hours or so. I have a little smoke tube up in there. I'm using apple pellets. It's up in here. This is some Jack Daniel pellets in the smoke tube, just to give it some color. All right, so we got fat side up. We got the thickest part closest to the heat box or the fire box. And off we go. So we are 3 hours in. You can see how we looking right here. So in about another hour, guys, I'm probably gonna go ahead. Well, I'm gonna wait to the 5 hour mark. I'm gonna do that 5 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make that brown sugar and coke coating to put on there. Then I'm gonna put it in the pan. Then I'm gonna baste it every hour after that. Glaze using coke, brown sugar, bring the coke to a bar, put my brown sugar in there and stir so it becomes like a syrup-like texture. You know, you just want to make sure that the consistency is like a syrup texture. And as you can tell, I got that consistency that I'm looking for. You can do yours as thick as you want it, but I'm just looking to coat the ham. Ham been on the smoker for about 5 hours, so it's probably going to take as much smoke as it's going to absorb in that ham. So I'm gonna put the glaze on there, but we passed the halfway mark. As you can see, that ham is looking very fine up in here. We'll go ahead and just gonna coat it, put it in a pan. For obvious reasons, you want to absorb the glaze, right? Want to just catch all of that nice juice. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna baste this. Baste this every hour, because I'm about to fill the bottom part with some Coca-Cola. At the top part absorb all of that glaze. That's how the glaze look. I put a little Coke up in there. I'm gonna baste. I want a whole bunch of Coke up in there. I'm gonna use that Coke to just baste it, just to keep the moisture in there. But she's looking good, man. This is gonna taste like candy. It's gonna have that sweetness with that season, right? That bourbon season, the jalapeno rub, and the jalapeno butter injection. So it's gonna be, hey, it's gonna pop in your mouth, man, and it's gonna do some things to you, boy. Man, 9 hour smoke. As you can tell, the glaze sticky icky, plus that bark. It basically have 2 coats on there. You got the bark, right? The brown sugar and the special seasoning, right? And then you also have the glaze that I made with brown sugar and coat. And don't forget that we injected this with some honey jalapeno injection. Go ahead and slice into this bad boy. And you can see that right there. I just love when I see that smoke ring. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take the pieces and we're just gonna put it right here into those juices, you know. Look at that. Look at that bark, man. You ever seen a ham look like that? Slice it all up in there. I'm just slicing around the bone. We good, man. We good here, people. We good here, folks. And there you have it. My honey glazed ham.
Hey, welcome back, y'all. So there you have it. I mean, everyone process is different. I was amazed how this ham came out. I mean, usually you really don't want like a bark on a ham, you know, akin to a brisket, but that bark and that glaze, that combination just was amazing. One of the things I probably do different is I probably cure it, right, so it can have more of a ham flavor to it. This basically tasted like I mean, it really didn't have like that cured ham taste. It just didn't remind me of a Christmas or Thanksgiving ham. It just reminded me of cooking like another piece of pork, almost like pork chop or something like that, with all of the extra trimmings to go. Hey, thank you for coming to the channel and watching everything through and through. I need you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hey, cooking with gadgets in the kitchen, how technology will make your life easier in the kitchen.